Professor Siddique A. Mohammed is a serial entrepreneur, public speaker, and author who started his career as a lecturer of commerce after his post-graduation in 1991. Masters of Commerce 1991, Kerala University. He started his professional career in Saudi Arabia in the year of 1995 with the legendary Al Mutawa Group as director of Al Mutawa Industrial and Management Consultants. Being the promoter of the first Indo-Saudi Trade Expo, nicknamed INSATEX, held in Bahrain International Expo Center during December 1997, Siddique, in collaboration with the Government of India's Ministry of Commerce, Saudi Chamber of Commerce, Embassy of India Riyadh, Al Mutawa Group, Godrej Group, Jindal Iron and Steel Corporation Limited, SR Group, Al Zamil Group, Kanu Group, Mahindra Group, Telecommunications Consultant India Limited, Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation Limited, and hundreds of prominent organizations from India and Saudi Arabia. Within a decade after INSATEX, the bilateral trade between India and Saudi Arabia went from 2.5 billion to 4.8 billion, playing a major role between these two countries. Professor Siddique A. Mohammed was instrumental in promoting many successful expos and conferences in Kuwait, Oman, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, USA, Canada, and many more countries. He was promoter of the Industrial Innovation Expo held along with the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India during 2016. He promoted the expo in collaboration with Gujarat Government and Federation of India Chambers of Commerce and Industry, the Apex Business Chamber of India, with over 3 lakh corporate members. The Honorable Prime Minister of India directly supported Siddique to make it a reality for the betterment of humanity. In 2017, Siddique developed an exclusive publication titled Indo-Global Tech, which was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of Portugal during the state-owned Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, held in Bangalore, with over 8,000 delegates from over 90 nations participated in the event. Professor Siddique in 2018 established in USA the European Digital University, for which he is the founder and chancellor of. This new generation university spread to many countries with thousands of active students and associates. The university specialized in education, training, and some of the latest technologies of the world like AI, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. Canada-based Blockchain Summit Limited, operating from the World Trade Center, Toronto, to which Professor Siddique is the founding president since its existence, January 2019. The summit was launched in the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister of Malta in Toronto, leading, facilitating, educating, and demonstrating how blockchain, AI, IoT, metaverse are providing solutions to outdated systems in many facets of industry, bringing global investors to expand and immigrate to Canada using these new technologies to demonstrate transparency, safety, security, sustainability, accountability, efficiency, truly revolutionizing many industries and government along the way. Developing a sustainable blockchain city on thousands of acres of land in southwestern Ontario.